want to show you some upgrades that we've recently put into our Reedley facility. The first is a 10-lane compact Inspectra2 to our stone fruit line. The sizer cameras can eliminate defects and issues inside and outside the fruit before it gets to the pack line. Graders give the fruit a last visual look before it goes to the line to be packed. This allows us to automate with volume fillers, tray lanes, and bag machines. This year we added an 8-lane Compac Inspectra2 to our new organic line. Once again, allowing for more automation and efficiency that ensures our customers get the best product. With the current labor shortages, these machines are essential to help us move through our season. Thank you for visiting HMC Reedley.